great you're watching again. Look at our newest asset. Yes, this is a Fiat Panda 4x4 from 1985. Yes, I bought it because I wanted the Panda 4x4 because I want to know how good it is off-road. Yeah, and this is a really excellent example of a Panda of those years. Look. It has air-conditioned footwells. Ja, dat komt goed uit dus.
Kijk hem schort.
Kijk.
Wat een andere auto.
We did some work on the engine.
Precies.
Hè?
Hop. Kijk.
Ah, klonk al goed. Dat is de starten.
Yo, hij doet het.
And we put some serious off-road tires underneath. Dat is even inkwarken. Well, and now let's see what it can do. Ah!
Oh.
I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Haha! So, what's next with the Panda? We want to restore it and therefore we want to replace all rotten sheet metal. So, therefore I got this car and we are going to put like the engine and gearbox and everything underneath this one. And then we have a healthy 4x4. Nice! Let us know if you want to see more of this project in our comments section. And I want hey, and then I would say to you, thank you for watching and see you next time. Yabba dabba doo! Oh, it's exactly like all those cars exploding in movies. That's just fake.